I feel dread personally, and you figure out for yourself in your life, you may have different reasons if you're feeling dread, but I feel dread because I anticipate resistance and defensiveness. And as I anticipate the resistance and the defensiveness, I know that I need to do more training for that moment. We often talk about training for the moment and hindsight and foresight work. I need to do more consciousness raising and heart opening work on myself before I'm going to be ready for that. And the dread comes in to the degree that I'm not sure if I'm fully resourced or if I'm at the capacity that I need to show up in a way of my choosing. That's where the dread comes in. The degree to which I imagine myself getting hijacked, getting triggered, getting resistant and defensive myself, getting impatient, the degree to which I'm not sure I have it in me right now to handle all of that in a way that I would respect, that fills me with dread. So that's where some of that is coming from. And so when I have that feeling of dread, if we're going to play pure NVC for a moment, what does the feeling of dread tell me about my needs? I have a need for more capacity, more awareness, more presence, more self-connection, more self-nurturing, more nourishment, more filling up before I'm going to be completely ready. And then I have a need for some courage to take a risk and go out there and try it. And that there's some needs for like deep self-acceptance for me to go out and try it and be willing to not do it great, right? We often talk about that, you know, how Marshall Rosenberg would say, everything worth doing is worth doing badly. Like this is one of my big mantras in life. Everything worth doing is worth doing badly. And as long as I don't get my ego all in a twist about needing to be good at anything and needing to be right and needing to perform well, if I can just release all of that shit from domination system education and instead really inhabit what I believe in, which is having a learning and growth mindset and being a work in progress. And every time I fall off the horse, just getting back on and being like, okay, this is, you know, when you're learning to ride something, you get thrown sometimes, and really caring for myself and getting the healing that I need along the way. So dread is often a little bit of like, oh, preparation for what I might feel. And then let me be really clear. The things that I'm anticipating in my head that I might feel are in my head because of my accumulated experiences in life. And a lot of them might not even be with this particular person. They could even be what I'm predicting based on what other people have done. And it's playing out with this particular person. So I want to be really conscious and gentle with myself around what I'm predicting, because my memories will inform my nightmares, if that makes sense. Do you understand what I mean by that? My memories of how things have gone in the past or what people have done in the past can become my negative imagination about what will continue to happen. And if I buy into all of those without really presencing my consciousness, my open heart, my power, my choicefulness, my, you know, good intention, whatever it is, if I succumb to that, I could show up in that situation very resistant and protected and defensive and tight myself. And that's going to lead to a different kind of conversation.